Well, ano na kami, kumbaga the next step na. First goal namin this conference, na-achieve na namin, which is go mag-playoffs. So, for now, waiting pa kami sa seeding eh. Hindi pa namin alam yung kalaban namin. But we'll take that time, no, to really prepare for the playoffs as a team. Then we'll siguro by next week malaman namin kung sino yung kalaban. Well, hindi naman namin kontrolado yun eh. So we'll really prepare and magre-ready lang kami kung sino man yung makalaban. Dahil hindi naman namin talaga kontrolado. But we'll be ready kung sino man. Mapa San Miguel, Magnolia, NLEX, pwede rin.
Hindi block yung 9 and 3.
Meron din. Of course, may added pressure din yun, diba? Kasi very unusual na or kailan ba last na nag-number 1 yung North? Parang hindi naman palagi. Kaya, so kung marami magsabi kasi yun din, rin yun, may pressure din, but that's naman outside noise. We'll do our best, diba? to get to the next level. So for now, we're in the quarters na. Next is sa semis naman. Then hopefully mag-finals kami. Then may advantage na kami na ngayon eh. Twice to beat. Pasok namin twice to beat, di ba?
Basta marami kung pwede mangyari, pero
most likely. So yun na may isa na kaming advantage agad going into the playoffs. We'll maximize it.